Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making delicious potato rice with simple spices. This recipe is easy, tasty, and perfect for lunch or dinner. First, I washed the rice and soaked it for a few minutes. Then I peeled and cut the potatoes into small pieces. In a pot, I heated some oil and added the potatoes. I cooked them for a few minutes until they became slightly golden. Now it's time for the spices. I added salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. These spices give amazing flavor to the rice. I mixed everything well and cooked it for a few minutes. After that, I added water and let it come to a boil. Then I added the soaked rice and mixed gently. I covered the pot and cooked everything on low heat until the rice became soft and fluffy. The aroma was so wonderful and the potatoes were perfectly cooked. And that's it! My simple and delicious sea spice potato rice is ready to serve. This recipe is budget-friendly, easy to make, and loved by the whole family. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.